today's story time is about PetSmart. This is no diss to PetSmart or nothing like that, but I am hurt. Okay, tell me why. So, my dog goes to PetSmart. That's where he goes to the hospital there and the grooming there. You know, getting together. And so, I'm just flabbergasted because I brought him to the hospital yesterday. Yep, because today is Friday that I'm filming this, right? So yeah, I brought him to the store, to the freaking. I brought him to the pet hospital yesterday because he had a checkup. And so he get checked up, everything. He all good, he all Gucci, you know, it was on the house. I was like, okay, cool. So while he was getting his checkup, I went to the grooming section because when I had called in, I was like, he needs to be checked up and groomed. And they was like, oh, okay, cool. They never said like I would have to do it separately, which I thought, but then they said it was cool, so I was like, okay, cool, I ain't got it, y'all can do it for me. And so I went over to the grooming section and just checked that he still had to check up. He had his grooming session, and she was like, no, we don't have him for today. And I was like, oh, okay, well, you know, I can like do it again, like reschedule. And she was like, we're free Saturday. That's probably our only time, Saturday, right? And so today is Saturday for me, and so today is Saturday, so my mom didn't call, my dad didn't call to schedule his appointment, which I told them to do because I was supposed to be busy today, but my stuff got canceled yesterday. And so yesterday night, mind you. So I told them like call in because I'm not gonna be here, but they didn't do that. So then mom was like, call today and see if they have the appointment still. I was like, okay. So I went to go call, y'all. Tell me why they closed. CLOCED. What did I just say? CLOSED. Anyways, they are closed. And you know why? I'm going to tell you why. Because this is what happened when I asked. I was like, okay. I was like, does he have an appointment today? She said, no. Would you like to schedule for the day? I said, yes, what other day can I schedule? She said Saturday. So I said, okay, I'll call you back and see Saturday, right? And then during this interaction, I coughed, like, I backed up. I went, and I came back and talked to her a little bit, okay? And then I backed up again, and I did, and I went to talk to her again. Now, in the background, there was a lady with a dog. And she was with the dog, brushing him. And the first time I coughed, she ain't do nothing, right? The second time I coughed, she said, I said, I ain't got the Rona. Okay, y'all forgetting it's allergy season. Okay, I have bronchospasms during this time because of the weather change where my lungs twitch and it's hard for me to breathe. And they love to switch at the most awkward times. So it's like I can't breathe, I'm choking, but you over here concerned about the Rona. Not even offering me an ambulance or nothing. Anyways. So then I called today and they're closed. I'm like, y'all really closed because I coughed. I told my mama, they closed because I coughed. They closed because I coughed. The salon is closed. The grooming salon is closed. I just don't understand. It was a day difference. It was all Gucci on Thursday. Now they closed. Jesus. I just don't understand. Don't understand. But like, what closed? The thing is, y'all, I always have hand sanitizer on me. Got my inhaler on me. I just got a refill, so I got my inhaler on me in case the breathing don't come back. And I always cough away from people and into my elbow. And usually my elbow is covered. Sometimes I hit the armpit even further away from my elbows. But y'all want to sit up here and close the doggone shop. So here we are. Day 7 of quarantine. Dog got long nails. Scratching us. Marks all over. Forever ashy. Forever ashy. Forever ashy. That's me. Like, what am I gonna do now? So we're trying to figure out how to like do something about his nails because they hurt. They hurt. Can't do it anymore. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I had to say is that like PetSmart closed down the salon because I coughed. That's how I feel because it was all Gucci on Thursday. They said, you know, the proper we closed because we just want the safety for our animals and our people. What about the hospital people? Them people gotta do whatever too. So yeah, that's all I had to say, y'all.
Are you tired of having basic, boring lashes? A boring face. Just irritatingly boring face. Girl, get you some of these lashes by House of Chaos. Okay, follow them on IG at houseof.chaos. Okay, also follow So Juicy, that's with 2 J's, and she will hook you up with these beautiful lashes, get you popping, okay? That is House of Chaos and So Juicy. Go ahead and get you something look cute, girl.
Thanks for watching and listening. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Don't be stingy. Okay, I'll see y'all next time.
Aaliyah.
Aaliyah.